Hi, my name is Gary Reiches. I'm the Executive Director and founder of the Reiches Center. We're here to talk about Antwon Calhoun.
My name is Antwon Calhoun, Antwon J. Calhoun. I am an athlete. I am upcoming filmmaker, actor. I grew up on the East Bay. I was playing football, getting in some trouble, hanging out with my friends.
Antwon came as a football player who was very talented, and we had a kid named Jerry Rice Jr. who he knew coming here, and so that I think got him attracted to coming here.
The future I thought was like being a pro athlete. So pro athlete was like my dream. I had a cousin who played for the Patriots. So that was something like in my mind I envisioned to be at. And I was like, oh crap, it's like we got one person in the family playing football. We might need two people in the family playing football. So I was like, he could do it, I could do it, you know.
We started a partnership with the Decision Education Foundation, an amazing organization, and we did not have decision education at the center, so that's something we don't do. So what a wonderful blessing to provide this opportunity for people who don't have it. And so Antwon became a part of that. And then a decision came that he had to make that was a very important life decision, where does he continue on his track as a football player or get some help from an educational resource that he needed that was very specific.
One of my close family friends was talking to Gary about me looking at private schools on the East Coast.
And it was far away. It's a difficult decision.
If I should stay here or if I should leave the state and focus more on my education than like sports. Mind you, I was so young. I was like 12 or 13 at the time. I think I was 12, and I was just like, what am I doing?
What we were tasked with was to make it simpler and to make it fun. And so Antwon became a part of that.
They were giving me the decision to make a decision. We're gonna give you all these ideas and these plans and everything. We're gonna lay it out to you, and then you're gonna come up with your own conclusion and what you really believe that you should be doing. What really matters at this time. I was still getting in a little bit of trouble, and my family friends realized that I wasn't really getting a good education either. I am dyslexic, so I was having trouble in school. Yeah, so there was a whole bunch of schools that we had in like a list of touring, but they weren't like anywhere close to California. We went to like 4 or 5 schools. There was like 2 that was just up in the air. It was one in Illinois and one in Vermont. I didn't know much about Vermont at the time. I was like, Vermont, what's out there? It was a school that had a really good program just to help me move up to a really good college. I didn't know I was ready to make a step like that. From there is when I actually realized, like, all right, cool, seems like I'm going off to boarding school, y'all. That's what it felt like, so yeah. Definitely a step I needed to make.
It's very stressful times for teenagers right now, and they're very segmented because of technologies and because of situations and the normal teenage angst.
After doing that and making the decision, I felt a little bit more mature.
And I think that's wholly relevant to creating the art of being a human being. So I think there's more accomplished here simply than anyone knows.
Big decisions come along more than you think. Some things might take time to sink in or seem relevant. The tools provided in this course really arm you for the big decisions in life. Getting through is tough. Why not make it easier?